Okay, so for this one, we're actually going to try something a little bit different. I'm actually just taking water and I'm just making a circle on my page. It might be a little hard for you to see. I'm trying to use tinted water. But basically you're just drawing the circle that you normally would make with your paint. And what this should hopefully do is help our paint kind of blend together a little easier, but also prevent it from bleeding out a little too much into the parts that aren't wet. So now I'm using my bigger brush, and I'm going to take very wet sections of, here's my dark blue, and I'm just kind of patting it around, seeing where it wants to go. Take some purple next, blend that also. And I think I'm gonna add some pinkish red in there. You see my paper's tilting a little bit and pooling on the bottom. That's okay, I'm gonna make it a little flatter while it dries. I think I'm gonna add some more of a lighter blue. Okay, and now I'm gonna go a little bit less water now because I don't need it. There's plenty of water on the page. And just adding a little darkness. If you need to, you can blot on a paper towel. Okay, and I'm going to leave this to set. You see it's very wet. And we will see how it looks when it's dry. Okay, here we have our bleeding galaxy. This is the one we made before. So I'm just kind of basically going to be doing the same thing again, just adding a few more layers, just adding some darkness and movement. I'm using my bigger brush for the bigger areas, and then I'll be switching to my smaller brush. And I'm going to try to only go over the areas I've already been with that color. This is actually a clean brush, and this is helping me lift some of the water and create lighter spots. Black in here to get some darkness and some depth. And this one in particular with the blue, I might soften with some blue again. Okay, and we're going to leave this one. And when it's dry, I think it'll be ready to add some stars. Okay, so this one's pretty dry except for the corner right here, but I'm not going to be doing much there. So I'm going to be splattering my stars. And I'm going to use my small brush again. I think I like it a little more. I feel like I have a little more control. You do see they are bleeding a little bit here, so if you want to avoid that, make sure it's completely dry. And now let me expand some of these. I'm just going to do the little ones. So I'm drying my brush a little bit on some paper towels, and then I'm going in and drawing little points out and cross motions on some of these. And again, if you have like a white gel pen, you could just do that.